Welcome everyone, my name is Joelle, and today we have a yoga practice for body and mind. So we're going to be moving our bodies, but tying in a little something special for the mind as well. This practice is actually very close to my heart because the day after this video is released will be my 40th birthday. And that's a little bit exciting, a little bit scary, but it's also got me thinking a lot about how the body and mind change over time depending on our experiences and also the effort that we put into keeping them healthy. So I thought that that would be something we could celebrate together today. And we'll get started in a child's pose. So you can bring the big toes together and the knees out as wide as you would like. And let's start by making a little pillow with the hands here and resting the forehead right on top. And you can close the eyes and start rocking the head a little bit from side to side, just massaging through the forehead. Already finding that connection between the body and the mind. Start to notice your breath. Thinking about deep inhales and exhales. Nice and soft through the nose. And then let's bring the head back to center. You can extend the arms out in front of you and then walk both arms over towards the right. So we're in a little bit of a side stretch child's pose here. You might even like to rest one hand on top of the other, just to deepen that stretching sensation in the left side of the body. One more deep inhale here. And as we exhale, walking our way back through center and over towards the left. And as you breathe deeply into the second side, bring to mind something or someone that you are grateful for. It could be a person in your life, an object, an experience. Just bring it to mind. And personally, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to practice yoga with all of you in this community. And final inhale here. And exhale your way back to center. Walk yourself back up tall, bringing the knees together. Roll the shoulders back. And on your next inhale, let's lift the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, left arm forwards, right arm back, twisting from the core. And inhale back up to center. And exhale, right arm forwards, left arm back, looking over your back shoulder. One more time. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And exhale, left comes forward, right comes back. And this time, place the right hand behind you and stretch the left arm up and overhead. And you can bend a little bit into that elbow to intensify. And reach that little bit further. On your next inhale, bring yourself back up through center. Exhale, switching side, left hand plants behind you, and right arm reaches long. And reminding yourself here, what are you grateful for? Beautiful. Press into that left hand to lift your way back up. And on your next exhale, plant the hands forward. We'll come to hands and knees, settling the knees underneath the hips, the hands underneath the shoulders, and a couple rounds of cat-cow here. Inhaling to arch, looking up. And exhaling to round. And take a few more at your own pace. Really feeling the length of the spine. All of the parts of the body working together to create nice cohesive movement to loosen you up and help you get stronger. And finish out that cycle, bring yourself back to neutral spine and stretch the right leg long behind you, pressing into that heel. A nice little release for the calf here. Press into all 10 fingertips. Keep a little bit of activity in that upper back and in the abdominals. And then keep the right leg where it is. Just scoot your left knee forwards a little bit so that you can come onto the top of the right foot. Support yourself on fingertips and open up through the heart. So sitting on the left heel, feeling a little bit of sensation perhaps in the spine or in the right hip flexors. One more inhale here. And as we exhale, replant both hands, bring the left knee back underneath the left hip, and step the right foot forward to the outsides of both hands. You might like to wiggle that back knee back away from you a little bit, supporting on flat palms or fingertips, and opening up through those left hip flexors. You might even like to sway a little bit from side to side here. And we'll find a little bit of back and forth rocking motion. So take another inhale here. And exhale, send your hips back for half splits pose, straightening any amount in that front leg. Again, coming up on fingertips or flat palms. And your next inhale sends you forwards again. And exhale takes you back. So again, find a few more movements here. Reminding yourself of what you are grateful for. And then shifting the mind and coming up with something that you are looking forward to. Might be an exciting work project, might be an upcoming vacation, a reunion with a friend. Maybe you're simply looking forward to your next cup of coffee. And then the next time you come back, let's hold here for a few breaths, maybe releasing the neck, closing the eyes. In and out through the nose. And personally, I am looking forward to a new decade of adventure. Hopefully a couple fun surprises along the way. Very nice, and let's shift our way forwards once more. Plant both hands. Send that foot back so that we can find hands and knees, rocking it out a little bit from side to side. And last little thing on this side, kick the right heel up towards the ceiling and take little pulses here, working the glutes. Again, pressing the mat away with your fingertips, engaging through the belly. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Replant that left knee and come to a narrow-kneed child's pose just to release all of that work. Big breath in. Big breath out. At the bottom of your next exhale, lift your way back up through all fours. We'll start to work that second side. So beginning by pressing the left heel back away from you, extending through that leg, reaching it long. Tiny little rocks back and forth perhaps to open up through the calf and the Achilles. And then keep that back foot where it is. Just inch the right knee forwards a little bit so that we can come down onto the top of that left leg, growing tall through your spine, crown of the head reaching for the ceiling, shoulder blades released behind you. What are you looking forwards to? And both hands come flat to the mat. Right knee comes back underneath the right hip. Left foot steps forward to the outside of your hands. And finding our lizard lunge. Whatever that looks like for you today. Maybe a little bit of a sway from side to side, just feeling into the nooks and crannies of those right hip flexors. And we'll start to shift backwards and forwards. So exhaling to send the hips back. Maybe you flex through that front foot. And inhale brings you back forwards. So finding that motion, making it your own for today. A few more times. And as you remind yourself here of what you are grateful for and what you are looking forwards to, I'd ask you now to bring to mind something you are proud of. What have you accomplished or created or influenced? Is something that makes you light up when you think, hey, I did that. And for me, it would probably be the creation of this YouTube channel so that we can all practice yoga together. And the next time your hips are back, holding here, a few breaths. Again, maybe releasing chin towards chest. Closing the eyes. Observing how this feels in your body today. Perhaps a little bit different from this first side or from the last time that you may have practiced this particular posture. Always changing. Let's bring ourselves back forwards. Step that left knee underneath the hip. Come back through all fours. Shift it out a little bit from side to side. Maybe tilting the pelvis up and down to release the lower back. And then flexing left foot up towards the ceiling. Take those little pulses, little kicks up towards the sky. Keeping those smooth, steady breaths. And let's take 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both knees find the mat. Sit your way back into child's pose. Crawl the hands forwards. Let everything go. And you're welcome to keep the eyes closed as we now roll onto the back. So taking your time to get there. Once you've arrived, pulling both knees in towards the chest, one hand on each knee, and taking a couple of circles in one direction. And reversing that. You might like to take a happy baby by catching hold of the outsides of your feet, sinking the knees towards the shoulders. And then cross the right ankle over the left knee for sleeping pigeon. You can hold behind the thigh or in the front of the shin. Final deep breath here to release that right hip. And simply switching sides, left ankle comes over right knee. Holding on anywhere you'd like. You could even keep that right foot planted to the mat if you prefer. And reflecting upon what you are grateful for, what you are looking forward to, what you are proud of. I'd like you to bring one final contemplation to mind. What do you like about yourself? What is one thing that is special about you? And how hard is it to actually come up with something? Very nice. Let's release that. Catching hold behind your thighs. Start to roll your way backwards and forwards. Just a couple of rocks massaging the spine. And once you're ready, we all meet in any comfortable seated position that you would like. Roll the shoulders back and close the eyes. Notice how you feel. Notice how this experience and these questions, what are you grateful for? What are you looking forwards to? What are you proud of? And what do you like about yourself? Notice how the answers to all of these questions have one thing in common, which is you. You are the one capable of gratitude. You are the one creating opportunities for yourself of what to look forward to. You are the one accomplishing great things worth being proud of. And you are the one where there is so much to like about yourself. And keeping that in mind, let's flutter the eyes open. Inhale the arms up towards the sky and exhale them back to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me today for this special body and mind practice. I would love to know what you thought. I'll be honest, I was a little bit nervous filming this one. Felt a little bit more personal to me somehow. So please do let me know in the comments what you thought, if you would like more of these body and mind practices. If you'd like to stay in touch, you can join my mailing list by clicking right here. And if you'd like a few more minutes on the mat today, perhaps to contemplate a little bit further, then I would recommend this 5-minute meditation right down here. Thank you again so much. Have a beautiful day, month, week, or perhaps decade. And I hope to see you soon.